Alright, hello guys, Axe here. We have the unboxing for you today of the Ultimate Songbird edition of Bioshock Infinite. This I actually bought for my girlfriend, so she's actually going to be helping me opening it. First off, you can see the statue out front. It's a Songbird statue. It's a 9.75 inch statue. On the outside of the box you can see all the lovely little artwork that's on it, the contents on the back, and then more artwork on the other side. Alright, and we'll go ahead and open this up.
Oh my god, it's a fresh box.
Alright, and show off the contents of the inside of the box. Fold these back. Alright, first off, this box on the back side. Go ahead and show it. Alright, and as you can see, the game is here. Looks like a Murder of Crows keyring and a little handyman statue. I'm not sure
Well, we can open these.
exactly what that is. Alright, go ahead and open that up.
Really? I don't want to rip it.
Well, if you rip it, you have no one to blame but yourself.
It's not wanting to go. I'm like, bitch, please. Okay.
Alright, there it is. Alright, and here is the keyring. Is it actually in there?
Stop.
Just one. Don't take it out.
I don't want you to take it out.
I'll put it back in. Alright, here it is. I was making sure there was like nothing on the back side that we needed to cover. Alright, so there's that. Put it back in here. It goes back in pretty easy.
Really? That tiny piece of shit? Really? On the freaking site, it was bigger.
It is like, what, the size of maybe a quarter?
If that. That's a tiny piece of shit. Look at that. Oh, glare. That's it. I swear, online, it showed a bigger statue than that.
Okay. And then there's the game. Comes with the soundtrack, it looks like. What is that?
Avatar items.
Avatar items, codes.
Oh. Upgrade pack exclusive.
And the exclusive upgrades pack. Oh wow, that looks neat. Nice little looking official sealed document.
Which I'm not going to open at this moment because it is sealed.
Maybe able to get the sticker off without ripping it.
I really want to show it.
Well, it's an unboxing. You're supposed to show everything.
What if this isn't supposed to be unsealed? Oh, okay, that's what it is.
Is that the other poster?
It's the propaganda poster.
The little propaganda poster. I'd say it's probably about, I don't know, maybe 10 inches tall.
Slide that bad boy.
Go ahead and put this stuff back in here.
And then, one of the good things.
The art book. I do believe.
I can't get it out.
Okay. Alright, here it is. And then there's nothing on the back side of it, is there?
Nope, it's just one.
Okay.
I'll show them one thing, but that's all they get to see.
That's all they get to see.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Nice little art from the concept art and stuff from the game.
Yeah. About how they decided to do everything on. What's another awesome one? Ooh, that's pretty neat. Ooh, I guess these are enemies in the game. It just ruined this for me.
It's okay, just pick a random page. Show them another example.
That's pretty.
Okay.
Just really nice stuff.
Alright, and then we can put this back in here, and we can show them the actual statue. Maybe they can see it better without
it out of the box.
Without the plastic in front of it. I think.
I don't know if you just told me that I'm not taking that out of the box.
Oh, it doesn't look like you have to take it out of the box to get it from the plastic. It looks like there's a plastic flap that actually like turns inward.
Actually, that's not supposed to be like that. The glue came undone.
Did it?
They gave me a shitty package. Yeah, the glue from this came undone. It's supposed to. It's not supposed to be like that. I'm kind of pissed now.
Alright.
But not taking it out of the box.
Oh yeah, I do see where the glue came undone.
Yeah. So I'm kind of pissed.
And then show the outside of the box. It says Sentinel of our fair city. Fink Manufacturing.
And this. So
Alright,
that
and
is it.
okay, and that's everything that came in the box. I do thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Stay tuned for other videos and well, events, so to speak. And I'll catch you all later. Bye.